What's up, y'all? We did the Taco Bell double-decker taco last week. We doing my favorite Baconator from Wendy's. Looks a little sad, y'all. So we're gonna make it happy with Silly Dilly, and we're gonna make it right. Baconator coming your way. All right, so Baconator. What's that first word? Timmy Neutron. No, I'm just kidding. Bacon. Get your bacon. We're getting the right brand. Thicker than hell, all right? Thicker than your auntie, baby. We're gonna get this. We're gonna do about half of this. There's 3 slices of bacon on each patty, so there's 6 in total per Baconator. So we're gonna fry these up, baby. Can't go wrong with bacon. You don't like bacon? Well, you're either kosher or weird, or both of them. But I'm putting bacon on a Baconator, so we're gonna cook these up, get them nice and crispy, and we'll start on our patties, baby. So check these bacons out in about 2 seconds because editing is great. Bacon done. Time for our patties. So, got some, this is a not as high fat, 93% fat free. So this is gonna be pretty lean, but I want that because we're cooking inside. No one wants a grease fire, y'all. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get 2 patties that are similarly shaped and sized together because we don't want, nobody wants uneven balls, baby. Usually the left one's a little bit bigger. Rule of thumb, all right? That looks good. So when we think of Wendy's, they do squares. So we're gonna do is just shape our patties down. I have this to kind of guide it into a square. We're not gonna season until they're on the griddle. Work away at it until it's relatively square. It doesn't need to be perfect. Push our meat down. Not that one, sicko. Haha. And just like that, we have 2 relatively square patties. I'm gonna go ahead and grab one. Come over to your hot skillet. Hold on. Wait 1 damn second. Wanna grease this up just a little because we don't want it to stick. All right, go grab your patty again. Put it down. And patty again. Put it down. All right. Stay tuned, I'll show you how to season these. All right, so seasoning. Seasoning salt, the one and only. Season liberally. Some sea salt. Not too much because you already have seasoning salt. And get you some pepper, baby. And we're gonna let these go probably, since they're pretty thin, we're gonna let them go probably about 1.5 minutes on each side. And we're gonna cheese them and we're gonna build, baby. We're gonna build. Show you how easy it is to make you a good Baconator that's not made in the fast food joint, but in the comfort of your warm, loving home, baby. All right, patties are done. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna put the cheese on top, let that get nice and melty. Got our brioche buns. We're gonna get those golden brown with some butter. And you know what time it is, y'all. It's time to eat some Baconators the right way. Clear difference here, y'all. Clear difference. Check it out. Obviously, this has been in a bag for about an hour or so, but it still looks sad, y'all. Look at that bacon. You know what I mean? Got that limp dick. But hey, we're gonna try it out. No discrimination. I'm not gonna hold it up to standards because, like I said, it's not as hot and it's not made by Silly Dilly. So let's try it out. This is one of my favorite burgers, so I like it. But rubbery bacon, bun's really smashed, and that's just because it's been in the bag. But you know what, y'all here? Tell me, y'all, which one are you gonna grab? Cheers, Silly Dilly going in. No question, baby. No question. Messy as hell, because we ain't cheap on the, it's all it is ketchup, mayonnaise, whatever you like on it, but classic Baconator, ketchup, mayonnaise, and this is way better, y'all. Literally try this out, brioche bun. Your friends, your family, they're gonna be like, whoa, a Baconator, baby. Try it out. We're gonna be doing a lot of fast food around here, or any famous food. You got any suggestions, put it down below. I will definitely make it. We going big here, baby. We're going big. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see y'all next time. Lip dick. You know, Silly Dilly just can't eat this, y'all. We got to cook for the cameraman Dalton, the man behind the magic, and also the family and the friends. So that's how we do it, baby. We're gonna cook these up. A little behind the scenes, even though you're always behind the scenes on Silly Dilly.